How to use AI for keyword research and SEO. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use AI tools to do keyword research and improve your SEO. So make sure to watch this video till the end, and let's get started. First, open your browser and go to any AI SEO or keyword research tool. Some popular options are ChatGPT, Rush, Ahrefs, Ubersuggest, or Surfer SEO. In this video, I'll focus on ChatGPT for generating keywords quickly. Once you're inside, log into your account and open a new chat. Now type a prompt like, "Give me a list of 20 high-ranking keywords for a blog about healthy breakfast recipes." Or you can say that, "Generate SEO keywords for a YouTube video on productivity tips." Or you can simply type that, "Find long-tail keywords for an e-commerce store selling wireless headphones." ChatGPT will instantly generate a list of keywords, including short-tail and long-tail options. Next, you can ask ChatGPT to analyze search intent by typing, "Classify these keywords into informational, commercial, and transactional." You can also ask it to suggest blog titles or video titles using these keywords. For example, write YouTube video titles with high click-through potential using these keywords. Once you have your keywords, copy them into your content planner, Google Sheets, or SEO tool for tracking. Finally, you can even ask ChatGPT to create meta descriptions and SEO-friendly headings for your articles or videos. Using AI for keyword research helps you save time, find better opportunities, and improve your ranking faster. That's all for the video.